Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be changing the headlights on my Nissan Hardbody pickup. Let's begin. Alright, let's begin. As you can see that it looks real dim. The halogen light bulbs that it has are no good. So what we're gonna change them to, let me show you. Now you saw how it looked at night without the LED lights. Now I'm gonna get these lights from AUXITO LED. Let me open them up, see what's inside, install these, and let's check it out how it looks at night. Right off the bat, you're going to be greeted with some gloves. That way you will not touch the LED lights with your bare hands. Some instruction manual and the LED lights right there, guys. Now if they have them for my truck, this is 95 Nissan Hardbody D21 pickup. If they have it for this car, they'll have it for yours. Let me install them and let's see how it looks now. On my truck, it's extremely simple to install. All I gotta do, just disconnect it right there and remove it. Here we go. These are the LED lights right there. Let's install these. Now these were the old ones that it had. These are halogen. So I installed one already. Let me install the other one. Then we'll go out on the road at night. Let's see how it looks now. Both lights have been installed. Now let's wait till dark time and I'll show you how it looks. There you go. Now you can see that it's a lot brighter. I can see all the way over there and it looks good. These LED lights from AUXITO make a big difference, guys. And this is going to be it, guys. This is going to be it for this video. I'm going to leave all the information to this company underneath on the description, so go ahead, hit them up, tell them Faraway sent you. Make your nighttime look like day. Alright, this will be it for this video, guys. Thank you, and like always, stay safe and God bless.